How to log out Messenger without switching accounts. So if you want to log out of your current Messenger account but without switching to another account, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now you can see over here I'm at the conversation section or the chat box, from where you'll be able to see your conversation with your friends. So if you tap over the three-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner, you'll be able to see the various options. You can tap over settings simply over here, and if you scroll down a little bit, you won't be able to see any of the option over here for directly logging out, but there is a switch account option. You can tap over and you can switch to another account and log out of your current account. But since we are looking for logging out without switching accounts, you have to do this trick. So the trick is you have to go back and you have to open up your Facebook. So the thing is, if you log out of your Facebook account, you will be automatically logged out of your current Messenger account. For that, you have to tap over the three-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and you have to scroll down to the button where there is logout option. Simply tap over logout and go for logout once again. So after doing that, you will be automatically logged out of your Messenger. You can go back and open it up, where you will be able to see you will be directly logged out of your Messenger account. So this is how you can log out Messenger without switching accounts. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.